Hi everybody, welcome back. So just got a quick little update on Angelique here, and I thought I'd just show you some of the progress that I've gotten. So started off with painting the hat. All this was done with acrylics. Trying to get a little texture into that using some of the brush strokes, and then just kind of glazing over that. The underside. And then started to work on the bodice. And did that little bracelet up there. And then the back. And most of this will end up, because of the feathers that'll come off the back here and the hat, and then the other feathers that are off that hat will create most of the shadow that's back in here. So that's why it's not nearly as bright. And yeah, there we go. Just a quick little update on what I've been working on. Trying to just get this done, so I'll probably work on this again this week just to finish it up. But there you have it. Just a real quick update on Angelique. I hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend, and I wish you all a great week. And and happy Halloween to everyone. I want to thank all my subscribers and everybody new and old who've been sticking around. I do appreciate that. Thank you for all the comments. And yeah, I just hope everybody has a great day. I'll be off to work in about an hour, so I just wanted to shoot this quick video and let you guys see what was going on. So again, thank you everybody, and I will talk to you all real soon. Bye.